What up, everybody? Kind of a random video today. I did not expect to get this, but One Life hands you lemons, add some vodka. So I don't know how I was able to do this, but I was able to get a 1320 muffler, and it looks like it's for a Civic. I'm gonna mount it up to kind of see. Only kind of thing is that weld is horrible. Let's just say that. But everything else is pretty fucking solid. Is that a crack? It might be a crack. So we'll see. I'm gonna weld that up. I'm gonna clean that all up and everything too. Worst case though, pick this whole thing up, 17 bucks at the Junkyard. I'm not complaining. So I'm gonna go get some round bar, just some random ones. I'm gonna clean this all up and then just bend it up over and down and then see what happens. I don't know. Fuck it. Worst case scenario, I'm out a couple bucks, but if not, we got a new exhaust. I'm gonna try and make sure that looks all good too. I'll probably clean that up. Honestly, I probably won't do much better. I'm gonna go run to Ace Hardware. Let's see what type of size round bar this is really quick. And I also don't have a CRV anymore, but I found the trim pieces for the roof rack. If anyone knows, you know, those things are dope. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Half inch? Alrighty. Half inch round bar. I can't fuck this up, so any worse than what it already is. Come on, look at that. Let's see what happens. Dude, if this works, I'm gonna giggle my tits. Let's see what happens. Let's go to Ace. So, let's go. Alright, car's on jack stands, gotta do a little shimmy shimmy. We're looking good. Let's see. Get these two guys off really quick. That's loose. There we go. That one's off. That one's off. Mounts, let's see. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab a tool. This thing is awesome. This tool is fantastic. I just don't want to get hit in the chest. Oh my god. That came out so easy. And we got it. Alright. Now, let's see how off this one is. Let's see how silly it looks. Alright, so the hangers are nowhere to be found. I'm gonna hear someone be that. Oh, why isn't your face mounted on a table? How about that? Alrighty, I ground down as best as I possibly could for this. As you can tell, it's missing the weld. This one's off too. I'm gonna try and just probably like just add on to it or cut it off and redo it. I don't know. I'm gonna see. As you can tell, it should be closer over here. But anyways, I'm gonna fix this one. My piece is cut somewhere. Where is it? So I'm an idiot. Here's the piece. I have it dangling, so I'm gonna mount up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount up my exhaust with these Jenga blocks. The welds the guy kind of made up, he kind of messed it up pretty bad. But anyways, what I'm going to do is once I get on the Jenga blocks and then I kind of do this, I'm going to tack weld that guy, take this all off, weld this one up, and then go to the left side. So let's do it. We needed these, and I don't know which one is going to work, so I got a couple different sizes. I am not going back there again. Different size, different size, different size. I'm going to see if I can use the springs with the nuts and washers, but we'll see. So, dude, look at how this came out, though. That came out pretty good, considering that's what it was on there. Look at that. Part of the MIG still in there. Look at the wire's still on there. pretty lined up. I want to get it jacked up. It's a teeny bit off, like just to the right. Look at how clean that thing polished up, dude. I feel like you can almost see me 10 feet away. Oh, that's all I need. I gotta trim that little off. That guy. Don't look at that guy. That's just a cutoff wheel and then we'll be good. But I wanted to make sure I had extra. No leaks. Let me lower it. Let's see.